the name of the cousin that Jayden said he was going to meet. You know, so I can put on the internet if I'm not sure. You know, so this platform here will not put any. Me say, you know, so I don't like how you go on. Me say, you fi type CF in the comment. And anyone who can do that, you tell me for now, make me go on. Because I have some police who go try email and them sitting in there. So I just come because I'm me on there from time and we do this. I just come highlight to the power go on. Tag new news, me tell me, make me go on. Because I now go bad enough today. My heart feel free. I say me get some news, my heart feel free. I say me know how to take out Jayden, you don't believe me? Me know how to take out Jayden. Speedy. Me know how to take out Jayden. Bro, hear me now, man. You know, another way how we think it go, but another way how we think it go. Put it away there. Another way how we think it go, but another way how we think it go. So you're gonna tell me, say, that boy there come up in the box, can run off his mouth. And one thing him fear, him tell us I'm scared, him tell us I'm afraid, him tell we everything else. But him never tell we say him know the name of the cousin that Jayden give his daughter the umbrella and say he's going to go and meet. That's why you come over, you can talk about you with so and you with this and you with that. Piece of shit consume me, you stink like chink. Consume me. Come and sue me, piece of shit. You must go sue me from behind bars. You remember everything. You remember say before Jayden dead, what's her name? My brain moves 250 miles an hour right now. I just want to spit out everything and tell you now I'm gonna start emailing police officer here. Andreen. You remember say Andreen never did I do nothing for Jayden before him dead. You remember that? You remember say you give Jayden $500 and remember, you know, guys, me ask him, man, you know, me say to him, say, I him come over here, come tell we, you know. Him come tell we, say, oh, him keep treating at the community. Him come over here, come tell we, say, he's a standing citizen of the community and all of that. So I asked him the question, I said, okay, if you're a standing member of your community and a child went missing, don't you think it's your place to go and inquire what happened to that child? Him say, him now push him nose, none nobody business. I find that very suspicious. I find that suspicious, my friend. And the fact that you were certain that Jayden was unalive, I find that very suspicious, my friend. That's why I never stop dig pan you. That's why me go take up the digger and me start dig pan you. Yes. Yes. That's why I never put on back the digger. Me still a dig. Guys, 5 months we have been asking all the little girl will get the umbrella can come forward. They've been forward, they've been on the internet, they've just not say a word. Where's big up yourself, mama? You hear me telling you say? They've been forwarding, they've been watching, and they've just not saying a word. You remember say him come up in the box and come chat, and before the week fit done, him come up in the box and come chat, and before the week fit done, him baby mother in our next box I try smooth out that. And I said to one of my people them, but if there's nothing in it, right? If nothing in of it, why your baby mother have to jump out come defend what you say? Not in it, you know, it's innocent as why she have to jump out come defend it and come talk? Cause we know so uno no like come talk. So you see all of them things there me say, me start the digging. All of these things when me say, me start the digging. And you see, when him drop the catch, me tell us what him drop the catch. When him say, since Jayden and alive, him daughter after get drop off and pick up from school, and the daughter go to Manchester school. So, away come out of them own mouth. Them tell us say, I know the food will go down in your belly, defile your body, and the words from your mouth. Ask him again, Lee. Me have it on record, you know. Me have it on record. Me have it on record. I was born a wee. Me say, Jayden soul is going to rest. Jayden's spirit is going to rest. If it's the last thing I do before me come off of this earth here, Jayden is going to rest. You hear me say? Jayden's spirit is going to go and rest in peace. When me done with these grasmite. Me know, hey, uno hear half how me have to give you yet, you know? Uno hear half how me have to give you yet. I promise you no and God. You see how me not rush it? You see how me not rush it? Let me look for the interview. So this is the guy. See me? This is the guy right here, so. See him there? A film data. Jayden give the umbrella to. And he knows what cousin Jayden was going to meet. He know him. Know a house one. Him know a house cousin, Jayden say. Alright. New news. Somebody say new news. See all this one here?
Because you can't tap nobody from the way they want to. No. But do it in the right and proper way. When they go tell me say they have no feelings to me and that the man they love me, like they ready to mash up the 30 years to go live with him. When they tell me that, no, I say, okay. I said, no problem. So you're going to work here in the searching journey yourself? Maybe I just use that. Just step in the store to get it in them.
Alright, when me tell them say new news. New news. Don't worry on yourself. That not released by the press set, you know. That is still in the studio and mix. Me said that's still in the studio and mix. Yo, Johnny, what going bad, bro? When you can buy out, when you can trust out, when you can credit out, me not sell out. Anybody tell me if you get to the point you're not going to get a black from over here so this morning. 5 months we are wait. Anybody again tell me if you get to the point you're not going to get a black. And you don't tap the screen one time and you tell me about get to point. You're going to get a black.
So you can come out and show that yes, I have nothing to do with this. Try to mix with the people that they don't have any feelings or point finger at you. So you see, if you don't come out, we are going to point finger. We are going to point finger because there's something you must know. You understand what I said, Julia? And that is fair enough. I'm not talking to you, you know. I'm not talking
Sophia!
Not to you personally, you know. Not you personally. Not you personally. Don't take it personal. Yeah, not you personally I'm talking about. I'm talking.
Alright, make him finish up. Go
on, Julia.
If me know the family, and me know the family, me just know them and like that. And if something go wrong, me not have to know nothing.
Yeah, you don't have to know anything.
Do you ever ask your family about Jayden?
Wait. No, miss. Me don't need to ask the family about Jayden. That is not my business. Me feel it to my heart saying miss everything because me have daughter right now. I go high school right now the same way. From Jayden missing. My stepdaughter, my missus make my daughter start. Make them grandparents start pick her up, carry her to school, and carry her back home.
A dark girl with dread. So anybody will come from Newport, you must know LaSalle. Anybody will come from Newport, you know LaSalle. Him have 2 daughters. One of them is a dark-skinned Rasta girl. Her name is Tammy. She work at Algreve. She's a shower again. Where shower? Shower and some Peter she nurse. She work in a hospital. She does not drive to work. So she can't come out here, come tell we say at work she was going the mornings before there. And I work there I go Tommy. Nobody come here with that. And if you come here with that, we're gonna put out the picture and you have to go get your work schedule for that day there and come show with that day. So you did book for work that day there. You did schedule for work that day. You can't come here with it. Because before I come out and tell the people them these things, I make sure back on open some corner and I know I'm not going to try run go. I saw me stay. No man, I saw me stay. Same way I saw me stay.